Okay, everybody, we've come to exercise 2 now. So this one has a little bit of variations in it. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go from step to step, and then we'll do it again all without stopping at the end of the exercise. So let's try it. So we're counting in 4 again. So all we're doing is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the base pattern for this exercise. The variation 2 will be this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third variation is we have faster notes here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and. And again, it doesn't matter if you do your right hand first or your left hand first. It doesn't matter at all. Whatever feels good to you. So that actually the third variation again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay? And then we go back to the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay? The third variation is all in the chest. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay? Just like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So we'll go through the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. There, and we have the last variation, which is we do 4 notes here and 4 notes here. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So that's the whole exercise. So let's try it from start to finish. Yeah, so each time is we repeat it 4 times. And if you get lost, I'm going to be counting out loud so you can follow with me. Okay? Just practice makes perfect. That's all it is. So here we go. Let's try it. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's exercise 2.